Just stand back, Tomo. Wile E. Coyote is right here. I am so sorry this had to happen to you. I promise you I will get rid of bird brain once I do a commentary on Amelia Anderson. You don't have to cry now, Tomo. I've got your back.
Now my feelings are made me angry to all because of you. Now the sick puppet crisis would never ending because of you, and your minions are sick puppets 24/7.
She did what? That does it! I would take an a Puyo, beating that female sock puppet girl for making sock puppet crisis never ending. And Amelia Anderson, don't you think about skipping this part, because if you do, then Ollie would have a massive Puyo beating for you. Just you wait, Amelia Anderson.
Skip.
Excuse me, what in the world is going on over here, Doc? And why do you look so angry?
Well, I caught Amelia Anderson skipping Shining Glitter Cookie's introduction and even stole Adrian and Leah's commentary clips since she always treats them like they're the worst things on the planet.
What? No one ever interrupts Shining Glitter Cookie. I'd say we make sure that Amelia will not take another step on planet Earth ever again.
Well, once I get to floor 3, I'm gonna stop my ex-brother Anas Kamewi from holding Ronnie N hostage, take away his gun, confiscate it out of the studio building, and have him kicked out of Adrian-verse studio building entirely, because holding someone hostage is never okay at all, and can they get arrested big time if they do that?
Whatever. Just stay out of it, okay?
Stop right there.
Can't handle someone using interruption clips? Well, congratulations. You are now showing hypocrisy for you using those clips in your commentary/responses. We'll be skipping this part now.
Give me a belt beating, Luli. And speaking of my commenting gang, they will arrive at Adrianverse Studio Building very soon.
Now your commenting gang is going to take me down by breaking to my studio building? That does it. Rest for it. I'll let Freddy and Brutus is going to beat your ass up whether you like it or not.
She did what? Amelia Anderson, it's time that you're out of Adrianverse Studio Building.
Not so fast, Freddy and Brutus. I'm not letting you—
Sorry, but giving me a belt beating is not my worst fear. So, take this.
Don't you dare try to hurt Cosmo ever again, you bad Deltrina Ribbon 2.0.
Fuck up, Amelia Anderson, you deserve to get an umbrella beating. So get your ass over here so I can give you an umbrella beating.
I've gotta get out of here. I gotta call the rest. No.
Because you realize this means war.
You have that.
Lame. HM, no response. Well, that.
Rise, my dragons. Dark Takeo ambush impact. Is everyone okay? I am just making sure that no one got injured, nor even killed.
Oh, Dark Cacao Cookie, thank goodness you're here. Me, Bugs, and Tweety are facing a huge crisis right now, and you gotta help us.
Ugh, you stupid gnats may have dodged my attacks this time. But let me tell you this, I've told Bird Brain to make in no hurry to shout despant so we can ruin Tomo's family, and cause tons of drama towards them.
You two did what?
Wait, what? Why Bird Brain and Amelia Anderson? Just freaking why?
Haven't you not heard, woman? It's because we despised the culture of noise rock and want to bring your own family into a lot of drama. And besides, you have no mercy or meaning in family whatsoever, And it's a good thing that you are an awful sibling to your stupid family. Like, you are such an entitled hoe.
Excuse me. Did Bird Brain just call Tomo the offensive H-slur?
Oh no. This is not gonna end well.
See? That is why you are the worst big sister sibling to your weak family ever, and hopefully, you and Sylvester will not live on planet Earth at all, since me and Amelia are gonna destroy the entire Rock Horizon concert as your bad future punishment.
But, no. This can't be. I'm still a good sibling. You cannot do this to me and my family. Sylvester, Leah, Granny, Hector, Tweety. I'm so sorry I couldn't protect you. I am so sorry.
Oh my goodness gracious. Are you alright, Tomo?
Granny, what in the world was that?
Tomoe, please say something.
I just can't believe that our own adoptive sibling and owner just went into sad diary mode. This is absolutely terrible.
Oh heavens to Betsy. We must get her home this instant. I just hope that she didn't get injured.
Amelia, Bird Brain, what the hell have you to done? You've caused Tomo the go into sad diary mode by verbally abusing her, and made in no hurry to shout disband, which made Sylvester turned emo. This has got to be one of the worst things you two has ever done. And now thanks to you, Rock Horizon is gonna be cancelled because of what you two did to Tomo and her family. Once me, Bugs, and while Coyote tells Leah's friends about this, you both are so done for, and I will not allow that in my own kingdom. You are so busted, Amelia and Bird Brain.